Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Mercedes-Benz SLK. This two-door convertible has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 66,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Hey there, car enthusiasts! Feast your eyes on this stunning 2007 Mercedes-Benz SLK SLK 280. This beauty is powered by a 3.0 engine that'll have you zooming down the highway like a race car driver. Let's talk factory default features, shall we? This car comes equipped with power windows and locks, a power retractable hardtop roof, because who wants to manually put a roof down, automatic climate control, so you don't have to argue with your passengers about the temperature, and a premium sound system, because music is life, am I right? The exterior is diamond silver metallic, which means it shines brighter than a diamond in the sun. The interior is grey, which is the perfect color to hide any coffee spills or snack crumbs. We won't judge. But wait, there's more. This car has excellent mileage with less than 66,000 miles, averaging less than 4,000 miles per year. And get this, it gets 17 mpg in the city and 25 on the highway. Say goodbye to constantly filling up at the... Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, and window defogger.